It's Friday! What's up, everyone? Let's talk about EVGN Limited. In this video, I will share with you why I believe this could be another 10x bagger stock, why Cathie Wood of ARK Investment has been accumulating this stock, what I think, and what I'll be doing next. And of course, I will also provide you my price prediction, so you might want to watch the rest of the video. Stick around. Sawasdee Cup, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. My prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. I'd like to give a shout out to one of our diehard Quantum Finance member, Sergey Kuzenko, for bringing this stock to my attention. Thank you, Sergey. Very kind of you to share this with everyone on the Quantum Finance channel so that everyone can go make lots of moolahs. I also like to follow up on TSNP. I know a lot of you who bought TSNP when it peaked were probably freaking out when it came down so much in the past few days. Welcome to penny stocks. It's a high risk, high reward playground. If you don't have the stomach to ride the roller coasters of the ups and downs, this is probably not a stock for you. You do have to do your own DD or due diligence and believe in the company that you invest in. This is a long-term play as a 10x bagger for me. When the stock dips, I did not panic. Actually, I went on a buying spree. In the past few days, I picked up 4,000 more shares with a cost averaging at 99 cents per share. Anyway, as predicted, I stated yesterday it looks like TSNP had closed its gap and is due for a reversal. Reversal it did by gaining 28.5 cents or up 36.1%. Congrats to those who are still holding on to TSNP and have bought more during the dips. This is one of those stocks that you buy and hold. The next news catalyst is when the merger is complete and its ticker symbol will change from TSNP to HUMBL. Of course, the next big catalyst is the uplift from OTC to Nasdaq. This will definitely spike up HUMBL stock. Guys, you'll be making a lot of moolahs with this stock, but bear in mind that it will test your patience and conviction. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. EVGN Limited, or EVGN, is a computational biology company based in Israel. It's a microcap company at $209 million. EVGN has developed a unique computational predictive biology CPB platform, which leverage big data with advanced algorithms such as machine learning and other artificial intelligence or AI, while adding a deep understanding of biology and advanced biological technologies. EVGN is using its proprietary CPB platform to computationally design and develop next-generation life science products based on three core components: microbes, small molecules, and genetic elements. Key takeaway is that EVGN computational platform allows it to substantially increase the probability of successful life science product development, increase the efficacy, and reduce the toxicity of its life science products while reducing time and cost to development. EVGN has established 5 independent entities focusing on defined commercial fields, holding an exclusive license to use EVGN's unique solution for product development. The subsidiaries can develop and commercialize product independently or through strategic collaborations. Utilizing the CPB platform, EVGN and its subsidiary are now advancing products pipeline for year 2021. This is critical in that they will see an exponential growth in their subsidiary in 2021 and the coming years. Its first subsidiary is Biomaker Limited. It is an emerging biopharmaceutical company developing innovative microbiome-based therapeutics for the treatment of immune-mediated and infectious disease, which with a specific focus on immuno-oncology and GI-related disorder. In 2020, it is in the preclinical study immuno-oncology program. It initiates its first GMP production of drug candidates. This year, in 2021, it is working on proof of concept, its first in-man study, and it extends preclinical study, which is the IBD program. The second subsidiary is Canonic Limited. It uses predictive biology to breed genetically stable varieties for better therapeutics effects and higher yield. Canonic focused on developing cannabis variety that address 3 key industry pains: genetically stability, compound yield, and active compounds. Canonic caters to clients worldwide, bring the gold standard in non-GMO indication-specific cannabis products. In 2020, they demonstrated yield improvement in cannabis lines, which was under development, and engaged with commercial partners for cultivation and production. They also conducted preclinical studies to support the development development of Canonic's medical cannabis products. This year in 2021, they have developed pre-commercial activities with the first cannabis variety toward commercialization in 2022. Its products have demonstrated clinical effects of Canonic's varieties based on dedicated research with the medical institutions. The third subsidiary is Leva Limited, is utilizing CPB platform to improve food quality, agriculture substantially, and productivity through the introduction of microbiome-based ag biological products. In 2020, they signed a collaboration based on pre-lead candidates herbicide program where they reach a lead herbicide program. This year in 2021, their goal is to reach a POC of a herbicide tolerance gene trait for a lead herbicide in development, and in doing so, they plan to sign a licensing agreement for a lead herbicide candidate. Without going deep into details, they have multiple pipelines at work, such as biostimulus pipeline, which includes LAV211 biostimulant targeting spring wheats and corns. Also, the biopesticide pipeline, which includes LAV311 and LAV312 targeting bunch rot disease, downy mildew, seeding disease, and western corn rootworm, or WCRW. The fourth subsidiary is Eggplant Limited. It leverages CPB platform to discover and bring to market effective and sustainable crop protection products. They harness the power of genomics to decode the complex microbiome plant and pest interaction, and to identify the role of the key genetic elements comprising this complex system or functions. The functions and genetic elements prism help drives Eggplant's ability to design microbiome-based optimized solutions by amplifying the positive interactions, eliminate negative interactions, and retrieve lost interaction within nature. In 2020, they developed an advanced phase in biopesticide and biostimulant programs and filed for regulatory approval for wheat biostimulant product. For 2021, they plan to receive regulatory approval for a wheat biostimulant product and advanced biostimulant to pre-commercial activities with early adopter farmers. And lastly, Castor Limited. Its objective is to provide farmers with the most advanced Castor seed and egg service solutions. In 2020, they had their initial commercial sales in Brazil. In 2021, they have planned to ramp up commercial Castor seed sales to 3,000 hectares. Note that EVGN also leverages technology through partnerships. EVGN engages with leading companies for joint development of defined products utilizing EVGN's unique solution. Late-stage development and commercialization of the product will typically be done by the partners, which includes BASF, Bayer, Corteva, ICL Group Limited, as well as various academic and medical institutions. EVGN will be reporting its financial results and earning announcements scheduled for the fourth quarter and full year of 2020 on March 3, 2021. Looking at its Q3 2020 financial report, EVGN has about $45.392 million on hand. This is a positive sign for a microcap to have a nice war chest for its R&D and to support its growth and expansion. It is a sign that they will not go belly up anytime soon. Do note that their sales is only at $698,000 and they're losing money at the rate of $17.4 million in Q3 2020. Having done my research, I feel like EVGN is a caterpillar in this cocoon. It's growing, but not a lot of investors are noticing or seeing it. I guess it's not turned into a butterfly yet. Well, except for Cathie Wood of ARK Investment. Per SEC 13G filing, ARK Investment has been buying EVGN and has been accumulating EVGN ever since January 22nd, 2021, when it was just at $6.24. As of yesterday, ARK has accumulated a total of 937.5 million shares of EVGN. Let's take a look at its daily chart. It closed at $8.42. It was up 31 cents or 3.82% on a low trading volume at 51% of normal volume. Its MACD line has crossed and is signaling a bearish downtrend. Its RSI is near the center line and is reversing in the direction of the positive. Overall, it is trading well above the 50 DMA, meaning the overall trend is moving higher. It did form a bullish harami candlestick pattern, which is similar to an inside day in contemporary Western analysis. But while an inside day is usually considered neutral, the harami line or cross is an indication of waning momentum, and in this case is signaling a reversal to the positive, that is. This stock has a clear pattern of building a higher high and a higher low. It will spike up, pull back to consolidate to form a base or step and repeat. It is on its next step up, so I anticipate a potential spike comes Monday. I do have to disclose that I have yet to initiate my position in EVGN as I'm waiting for a confirmation of reversal. If confirmed, I will initiate a small position next week. I do see this stock will retest its all-time high at $10.24. If it can break out through that resistance level, I anticipate to go to the $12 to $13 range easily. Long term, I do see this as become a $20 to $25 stock by the end of the year. If you look at the 10-year chart of EVGN stock price, you can see the stock peaked at $19.80 back in 2014. It has been in decline since and appeared to have bottomed out at the end of 2020. Perhaps its technology was ahead of its time and that they didn't have any viable products for commercial sales. I do think year 2021 is in their favor as more investors and industry have come to appreciate and understand what they have in terms of technology and its capability. And therefore, it is not too late to get in this stock. Notwithstanding the potential significant upside, EVGN is relatively relatively early stage ag tech, biotech company with no material current or predictable future revenues. This is suitable for investors with high risk tolerance. In other words, this is a high risk, high reward stock. There are several key areas that I foresee a risk in. One, their development trial could fail and there is a potential IP infringement or patent challenges. That's because EVGN business model is frequently dependent on collaborating or partnering its asset at various stages of development with other companies. There is a risk that those collaboration or partnership may not materialize or may not be as lucrative or as timely as hoped for or anticipated. Other risks include regulatory issues as certain countries may change their policies not supporting such technology. Management may fail to execute per plan flawlessly, difficult to acquire new partners or enter into licensing deals, etc. This is a very common with new startups, so please do keep these risks in mind when investing in EVGN or other startups. EVGN does have a lot of products in the pipeline from its 5 subsidiaries that will be launching in 21 and beyond. I do like the concept of it using the computational predictive biology or CPB platform to design and develop the next generation life science products based upon 3 core components: microbes, small molecules, and genetic elements. Having a science and engineering background, I dig this stuff. It is what breakthroughs are created from. I would be long in this stock. Let me know what you think of EVGN. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you plan to initiate a position if you have not already done so. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs! So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs!